Hello and welcome everyone. This is a tutorial showing how you can convert a PC vanilla world to a Minecraft Education Edition world. I've only tried this once, so this is a real quick and dirty walkthrough, and hopefully it's going to work out. So here goes. First of all, you need to find this site. Suppose you just Google MineConvert Anvil to LevelDB. LevelDB is the format used by Pocket Edition and Minecraft Education Edition, and Anvil is the format used for Java-based PC vanilla worlds. So this is the version that we are interested in. So what I've done is I went to MineConvert and I just downloaded this whole file, and actually you get both Anvil to LevelDB and all these other variants. So actually this guy Keith is the guy we should all be thanking. So we'll do that later. And so what I've done here is that I have I've downloaded the file, and I'm going to enter the Anvil to LevelDB file here. So once I've done that, I'm going to first of all I'm actually going to just delete this world because this is the previous world that I've just converted, and this is the second time I'm doing it. So I'm just going to bring in a world that I want to convert, and I want to convert this world called Craft Your Future. It's actually a Minecraft EDU map. So I'm just going to copy that and bring it in here. There we go. And as it says on the documentation, we just need to convert this into world. And I'm going to convert it into world 2, since I already have something called world 1, I think. Anyway, here goes. Then we just start the batch file here. I'm just going to double click on it and off it goes. And oh yeah, sorry, this is actually, it has to be called world because that's just the way it works. So I just need to check here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's try it again. Go. Okay, it may takes a long time, be patient. So I'm gonna go ahead and be patient and get back once the converting is done. So it's finished converting, and what it's done is that it's generated a DB folder here with a ton of data, and we're just going to take this folder and copy it, and then I'm going to go off to my desktop and create a new folder. I'm going to call it world 2 and dump it in there. Control V. There we go. Now we have our world folder, we have our DB file, and this level.dat file is derived from a world that I've taken from the Minecraftworlds library under Minecraft Education Edition, and I actually tried using a flat world, but that didn't work very well. So I actually just went in and grabbed a DAT file from one of my previous worlds. Doesn't really matter which world, but just any old DAT file. Well, I don't actually know. I haven't tried this enough times to actually know what works and what doesn't. But I took another dat file and tried it, and I just put it. I made another world file, and I dumped the dat file in this file, in this folder. So I have a DB folder, and I have a level dat file generated from the Minecraft Education Edition. And so I just took this folder, and I copied it, and I put it into the world folder, which is here. So there it is. And if we go into Education Edition again, go play, and just hit world 3. So I've just been here before, and there's the world. Now what I had a bit of an issue with was actually spawning into the right coordinates. So you need to be aware of the start point of your old map, and maybe just go in and check that. And once you have those coordinates, where is my map there? Once you're aware of the coordinates that you spawn in on, you can actually just TP to the start coordinates of your map. Sometimes you'll spawn in far away from where your map actually is generated. So both times I've done this, I've just had to TP to where my map starts. So I just pull the map out here and use the TP/TP command with the XYZ coordinates. And so what we see here is the Craft Your Future map, which apparently has a number of glitches in it. It looks like there's water all over the place. It's probably ice, and these blocks, it actually just says update. So even though I have a very nice conversion of my map, there's a lot of blocks that need reworking. This is actually the first time I'm seeing it, but actually all the raw data are actually present, and so this is I'm pretty happy about this, because it's been an obsession for the last couple of weeks, just trying to actually make this work. I knew it was possible, so I've just been chugging away at this and trying to get it to work. So there's a lot of things that doesn't work on this map, because it's obviously made to work with vanilla and Minecraft DDU. So there's probably a lot of mechanics and in-game logistics for students that needs to be reworked, but it's a fine starting point to go from, and I'm looking forward to seeing where this takes us. Okay, good luck, and I hope this gets you going with conversion of all your own worlds. Cheerio.